Welcome to qnawire.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to do a chemistry calculation, and before I work on this, I recommend students to pause the video, do it themselves, and then come back to see if they got it right or not. That is the only way to know if you fully understand this topic. So let's start with what we're given. We are given 5.94 times 10 to the power of 20 molecules of SO3. Just keep that in mind. We're not given moles, we're not given grams, we're given molecules. So what is the number that we're going to have to use? Yes, Avogadro's number. So we would have to divide 5.94 times 10 to the power of 20 over divided by and this would give you the moles, right? That gives me, using a calculator, 0.0000986 moles. Yeah. Now that we've calculated the moles, we can easily calculate the mass by using this formula. Mass equals moles times MR, or atomic mass as some people like to call it. I calculated the atomic mass using the periodic table, and it was 80.0632. If you're confused, all you have to do is find the atomic mass of sulfur in the periodic table and add it with oxygen, but make sure to multiply the atomic mass of oxygen 3 times because there's 3 molecules of oxygen in this compound. And that leaves me with 0.0790 grams of SO3 there. And we do the same with H2O molecules, so we're given and then we would just divide it with Avogadro's number, and you can just multiply because this will give you moles. Dividing these will give you moles, and then you can just multiply that with the MR of H2O, which is, when you use the periodic table, you'll be able to find 18.0152, and that should give you 0.84 grams of H2O. The same with glucose, so we are given 1 molecule of, which is a glucose, and we can just divide this 1 divided by 6.0 Avogadro's number, and you can multiply that because you get the moles, and you can multiply that with the MR of glucose, and if you use the periodic table you should get grams, and when you do 1 divided by Avogadro's number times 180.1554 grams, which is the MR of glucose, you should get this is the mass of glucose. And I hope that was helpful.